What if I told you the way you do your real estate business has changed forever? I know you don't feel some type of seismic shift or anything right now. I know the ground is stable. But really, the way that you will be doing your real estate business in the future is totally different than the way you're doing it right now. And the reason behind that is simple. And you all heard the buzzword, artificial intelligence. As a matter of fact, the things that we weren't able to do 6 months ago, we're doing on a regular basis today. Imagine being able to speak to your customers, buyers, sellers, whomever you want, tenants, in any language, fluently, without knowing that language at all, and doing it from a click of a button. Watch this. Let me be the first one to tell you this. The way you do your real estate business will change forever.
Laissez-moi être le premier à vous le dire. Votre approche immobilière changera à jamais.
Today. Write a probate letter to my sellers for me.
Aujourd'hui, veuillez rédiger une lettre de succession à mes vendeurs pour moi.
I'm not sure if you saw what just happened. I just used a new program called ChatGPT to create an actual probate letter that is detailed enough that you could, with a couple of tweets, send it out to your probate people to get them to sell you their house.
Ton aide précieuse, bien à toi. Je viens d'utiliser un nouveau programme appelé ChatGPT pour créer une lettre de succession réelle suffisamment détaillée pour que vous puissiez, avec quelques tweets, l'envoyer à vos personnes en succession pour les inciter à vous vendre leur maison.
Now, I know what you're saying, mad scientist. How is this possible? How are you actually speaking this language fluently without even knowing it? The tool is called HeyGen. And I'm going to give you a little brief walkthrough of how to use it. As a matter of fact, you can test drive it for 100% free 99. Check this out. This is the actual tool that I was talking about. It's called HeyGen. It's part of a suite of tools from HeyGen. And the best part about this is that you can test drive this for free. As a matter of fact, I'm going to give you guys the link in the description. So make sure you go to the description below and you'll have the link to this. And basically, all you would have to do is just slide your uploaded video in here, click on the box, and you can choose the video that you want to translate into a different language. Once you do that, click the checkbox right here, and you can drop down and translate that video in any of these selected languages. And then the next and final step is just to hit submit. It's that simple. It can be worked with landscape videos. It can be worked with portrait videos. It doesn't matter. So this tool is great to use. And once again, you can use it for free, but you can test drive it. Give it a nice test drive for free. Now, the possibilities that you can use this with are endless. You can use it on your website. You can use it for training videos. You can use it for marketing to sellers, buyers. I mean, you could use this endlessly. But that's just the tip of the iceberg of what's working and what investors are doing now. I'm going to be the first one to tell you this. And remember this, AI will not be the end of your business. A business that is utilizing AI could put you out of business. It's that simple. So this is Charles Blair, the Mad Scientist. And don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and comment button. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.